After being body shamed by the Daily Mail publication, Aubrey O'Day has clapped back, shutting down their commentary on her appearance. This came just one day after the newspaper slammed her for looking unrecognizable in public. What's going on, guys? I'm your host Bree Room and welcome back to IO. Before we jump into the video, make sure you check out one of our playlists we've designed for you, and to also stick around until the end because I'll be giving out some more comment shoutouts. The tabloids are up to no good once again, and this time their target was Dainty Kane member Aubrey O'Day. On August 31st, the media publication The Daily Mail published an article about the singer in which they said that she looked unrecognizable as they showed paparazzi pictures of her in public. They slammed Aubrey for her public appearance in comparison to her recent post on Instagram where she was promoting a weight loss app. Saying that the Instagram post was heavily airbrushed and photoshopped, the publication meant to out Aubrey and show the public what she really looked like. The article dug deep into Aubrey's social media posts, highlighting her past Savage X Fenty posts and other images like them, and shamed her for her appearance in the paparazzi images. Aubrey's legal team got a hold of the article and quickly shared it with the singer, advising that she post an unfiltered picture to shut down the allegations that were made by the publication. On Twitter, Aubrey posted an unaltered mirror selfie and slammed the industry for abusing women's bodies. In the Twitter image, Aubrey was seen holding a piece of paper with writing on it that shared the date the picture was taken and the lines, "I'm Aubrey O'Day and this is degrading." She shared on social media that when her lawyers called her to tell her about the article and to request that she take the untouched image, it ruined her night, and that she's tired of this stupid, shallow, abusive industry. Later, Aubrey's law firm commented on the tabloid photo, saying that it's not the same person in the sense that the paparazzi images had been altered to make her look unflattering, and that there were noticeable differences in the photo. In the past, Aubrey has faced criticism for editing her photos and has a history of people body shaming her online, but this is the first time she's been scrutinized by a major media publication using images to intentionally make her look bad. I really don't understand why people have to judge others based on their body. I'm a big believer in body neutrality, the idea that it's fine if your body doesn't look a certain way, what matters is that you're taking care of it and that you remember you need it to survive. There's nothing wrong with wanting to look a certain way as long as you're not hurting yourself. And that goes for people like those at the Daily Mail and other outlets. We have to stop criticizing appearances. It doesn't benefit anyone to judge one another. It's just gonna lead to someone getting hurt. Earlier this year, actor Jason Momoa faced the same sort of criticism from the public about his body. He's literally Aquaman. Leave the guy alone. Aubrey has said that she will not tolerate the scrutiny and that she will not allow people to manipulate her image like that. She has also said that she finds it really sad that this is what people are finding newsworthy given the state of the world right now. And she's freaking right. Now let's shout out some comments from the top 5 Karens video. Hooch the Pooch says, "At this point I just feel bad for anyone named Karen." Me too. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna see anyone named Karen for a long time. That chart of baby name just splat. No one's naming their kids Karen anymore. Cindy Combs said, "Do I have to be a Karen to get a shout out? LOL, love you guys." Please do not be a Karen, but we will shout you out because you're showing some love. Jason Sparks 1 says, "The Karen of all Karens is Ellen DeGeneres." And you are 100% right. She's probably the kind of Karen that asks for the manager, not really the kind that like yells at people. I mean, she probably does yell at people backstage, but like we haven't seen it, so like, you know. Okay, that about does it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.